how to use keyframes in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Keyframes are an essential part of any animation and is a feature that people has to be aware of. They show the starting and the ending point of a particular feature of your video and also ensure smooth transitions. In order to use keyframe in CapCut in PC, open CapCut first. You can easily download CapCut from the App Store. Once the application is open, tap on New Project and import the video you want to use keyframe in. Now drag the video to the clipper firstly to make further edits. Once dragged in the clipper, select the two portion of the video you want to add keyframe in. And now tap on the keyframe icon you see beside position and size. Now make the changes. I will add the zoom effect and now you can see the keyframe along with the zoom effect has been added successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.